Welcome to Future Frame AI, where technology meets the urgent needs of our world. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we handle disasters. This isn't just tech talk, it's about real people and real lives at stake. First up, let's dive into predicting disasters. AI systems are supercharged with data, analyzing everything from weather patterns to geological activities. By doing this, they help communities prepare for impending natural disasters. Imagine knowing a storm is brewing before it hits. Next, let's see how AI coordinates emergency response. It's like having a smart assistant on the front lines. Through algorithms and real-time information, resources can be deployed quickly, ensuring help reaches those who need it most. Every second counts during a crisis. Finally, we can't overlook the remarkable stories of AI saving lives in real time. With split-second decision-making, AI has helped direct first responders and prioritize medical attention, making a huge difference when every moment matters. If you find this content valuable, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights. Don't forget to tap the bell. The future isn't just smart, it's life-saving. Natural disasters can strike with little warning, causing devastation and chaos. Every second counts in these critical moments, emphasizing the urgent need for effective response strategies to save lives. That's where artificial intelligence, AI, comes into play, transforming the way we handle disasters. Enter AI, an innovative force in disaster management. By analyzing huge volumes of data, AI predicts disaster patterns and enhances early warning systems. This means communities can better prepare and react swiftly when catastrophe strikes, all thanks to the insights AI provides. All around the world, AI is making a real difference. For example, machine learning algorithms can forecast hurricane paths accurately, while drones are out assessing damage in real time after earthquakes. With AI-driven simulations, emergency responders get the crucial training they need, enabling them to act decisively when lives are on the line. As we glance ahead, the future looks bright for AI in disaster management. By harnessing this powerful technology, we're building resilient communities, ensuring that when disaster strikes, we're not just reacting but proactively saving lives and minimizing destruction. The threat of earthquakes looms large over many regions. Scientists are now turning to advanced AI technologies to enhance our ability to predict these natural disasters. Imagine living in a world where we can get early warnings. How comforting would that be? AI systems are busy working behind the scenes, analyzing vast amounts of seismic data to find patterns that may signal an impending quake. These smart models can sift through information from countless sensors in real time, helping us spot warning signs of danger long before the Earth starts to shake. Isn't it amazing how technology can give us insights we didn't have before? When a major earthquake is predicted, timely alerts can save lives. These early warning systems allow communities precious minutes to evacuate or take safety measures, making a world of difference in reducing injuries and fatalities during such catastrophic events. In a world where seismic activity can be unpredictable, the use of AI in earthquake prediction stands as a beacon of hope. The dream of giving people more time to prepare could soon become a reality, changing how we respond to disasters. Flooding is a major global concern, impacting millions every year. But guess what? Advanced technologies, especially artificial intelligence, are stepping in to enhance our forecasting capabilities in ways we never imagined. By integrating various data sources, AI combines satellite imagery that captures real-time environmental changes, rainfall data, predicting how much rain is on the way, and detailed terrain mapping that shows us the lay of the land. With all this information, AI can calculate potential flood scenarios with impressive precision. Accurate flood forecasting is crucial for disaster preparedness. It helps communities plan evacuations and get resources where they're needed most. This proactive approach can save lives and minimize economic losses. Plus, thanks to AI-driven predictions, we can respond to flooding events more effectively, making sure folks are safe and ready. As technology continues to evolve, AI will only play a larger role in disaster management. Embracing these innovations allows us to create a safer, more resilient future, no matter the climate challenges we face. Let's stay prepared. In the face of increasingly devastating wildfires, technology plays a pivotal role in our fight against nature's fury. With AI systems stepping up to the plate, we see a remarkable shift in how early signs of wildfires are detected, helping us to slow down or even stop potential disasters before they escalate. These advanced systems utilize smart algorithms to spot smoke and heat signatures from miles away. They analyze key environmental data, such as rising temperatures and changing wind patterns, sending real-time alerts to emergency responders. This early detection means firefighters can spring into action much sooner, allowing for a more effective fight against the flames. Thanks to these timely interventions, wildfires can be contained, preventing catastrophic losses to our homes and wildlife. The collaboration between technology and firefighters enhances safety across the board, giving us a fighting chance against the increasing threat we face from wildfires every year. As wildfires grow more frequent, it's vital that we support AI advancements in monitoring. Let's push for continued investment in these technologies, ensuring we can protect our beloved natural landscapes and communities for generations to come. As hurricane season approaches, accurate predictions become vital for communities along the coast. Advanced models are stepping up to the plate, utilizing cutting-edge technology to forecast storm patterns and intensity that can help save lives. One of the trailblazers in this field is Google's Flood Hub. By leveraging big data and artificial intelligence, Flood Hub analyzes various environmental factors, providing real-time simulations that assist in preparing communities. Its user-friendly interface shows potential flood zones and risk levels, empowering officials and citizens to make informed decisions together. Imagine knowing what areas might flood before the storm even arrives. Alongside Google, DeepMind is also making waves, with its intricate algorithms that simulate storm movements. These systems work tirelessly to make predictions days in advance. This capability offers critical insights about changes in intensity and direction, which are crucial for timely evacuations and resource allocations. In a world where climate emergencies are becoming more frequent, tools like Flood Hub and DeepMind are not just futuristic tech. They're essential for our safety. Together, they help pave the way for safer, more prepared communities in the face of nature's challenges. AI-powered drones are truly changing the game in search and rescue operations. These amazing little machines can scan disaster zones with incredible efficiency, helping rescuers locate those in need. With technology advancing rapidly, we now have tools that can increase the chances of survival during critical times. These drones don't just float around. They are designed to operate in hazardous conditions, flying over areas that may be difficult or even dangerous for people to access. Imagine them darting through smoke or sifting through debris. They cover vast landscapes in no time, making them invaluable when disaster strikes. One of their standout features is the ability to recognize human shapes. Using advanced imaging technology, drones can spot people even in chaotic surroundings, significantly raising the odds of finding survivors and providing swift assistance. Once they locate someone in need, these drones relay real-time information to the rescue teams, guiding them directly to the scene. This precise direction is crucial, ensuring that every second counts when lives are on the line. As we've seen, drones are transforming the way we approach emergencies. If you find this exciting, don't forget to like and share this video with others. Together, we can spread the word about these game-changing tools in search and rescue. As the crisis unfolds, communication becomes absolutely critical. Picture a chaotic scene, victims in distress, desperately searching for information and guidance. In such moments, the need for clear multilingual support shines through, showcasing how technology plays a vital role in disaster response. Here come the multilingual chatbots, stepping in to bridge those frustrating language barriers in real time. Imagine an AI-powered assistant available at your fingertips, providing essential information quickly. From emergency contacts to evacuation routes, these chatbots bring clarity amidst the confusion. No matter the language you speak, they ensure everyone gets the help they need when they need it the most. And let's not forget about voice AI, which takes this support even further. When victims are in distress, just a call for help activates a friendly voice that offers soothing and simple instructions. This technology makes sure that regardless of language, no one is left without assistance during such critical moments. In these disaster scenarios, effective communication can truly save lives. With multilingual chatbots and voice AI at our side, critical updates flow seamlessly, fostering connection and support in times of unprecedented need. The scene opens with stunning drone footage showcasing the aftermath of the disaster, where communities are left in disarray. As we take in the destruction, it becomes clear that accurate damage assessment and effective relief planning is crucial. Zooming in on satellite images, we see how AI technology comes into play. This smart system analyzes the visuals, pinpointing areas of critical infrastructure damage like collapsed bridges and impacted hospitals. This information is vital, guiding responders who need to tackle these challenges head-on. Moreover, the AI also predicts potential vulnerabilities in structures that still stand. This foresight helps teams focus their immediate relief efforts on the most pressing needs, ensuring that resources are allocated wisely during this critical time. Now, we cut to scenes of relief teams mobilizing in the field. Thanks to those AI-driven assessments, they are armed with data that prioritizes shipments of food, water, and medical supplies to areas that need them most. As this segment wraps up, we reflect on how AI not only supports immediate relief, but also helps to shape long-term rebuilding priorities, paving the way for a more resilient future for affected communities. The rapid advancement of urban technology has led to the integration of smart sensors in our cities, revolutionizing how we respond to emergencies. These little gadgets are becoming our invisible safety nets, constantly on the lookout for any signs of trouble. These sensors are designed to detect numerous emergencies, such as fires, floods, or accidents. Imagine them as our city's watchdogs, always monitoring the environment and providing critical data that helps inform emergency responders about exactly what's happening, even before they arrive on the scene. What's really cool is the real-time alerts these sensors generate, enabling immediate response from emergency services. Thanks to timely notifications, responders can leap into action faster, potentially saving lives and minimizing property damage. Every second counts during emergencies, and these alerts make a real difference. Now, let's not forget about the role of AI. Integrating this technology helps filter out false alarms, ensuring that emergency services are deployed exactly where they are needed. AI algorithms work tirelessly in the background, making sure our resources go to the right place. As cities continue to adopt these smart sensors, the future of emergency response shines bright. The ongoing improvement of these technologies promises safer urban environments, ultimately enhancing our community resilience and peace of mind. As the climate crisis looms large over our planet, we find ourselves facing daunting challenges like rising sea levels and severe heat waves. But here's where AI steps in, becoming a valuable partner. By crunching data and analyzing trends, AI helps governments and organizations devise plans for disaster preparedness and community safety. Rising sea levels pose a serious threat to our coastal cities. Thanks to AI-driven models, officials can predict flooding scenarios. This allows them to create effective urban plans and design evacuation routes, ensuring residents stay safe when disaster strikes. Now let's talk about heat waves. With temperatures soaring, AI analyzes weather patterns to warn us ahead of time. This enables communities to set up cooling centers and issue health alerts, keeping everyone, especially the most vulnerable, protected from the sweltering heat. Collaboration is key. Governments and NGOs are combining forces, using AI to enhance their readiness for climate challenges. Together, they're building stronger communities capable of bouncing back. In a world where climate threats are ever present, embracing AI in our preparations paves the way for a safer, more hopeful future for all of us. As we embrace AI's speed and precision, we must confront significant ethical dilemmas that come with its capabilities. It's exciting to see how AI can enhance our lives, but we need to hit the brakes and take a closer look. Privacy concerns are at the forefront of this conversation. With AI analyzing massive amounts of data, how do we protect our sensitive information? It's a bit like handing over your keys to a stranger. Can we trust them? Balancing innovation with personal privacy is essential if we want to ensure our rights aren't overlooked. Then there's the question of data control. Who truly has access to all that data AI uses? This is vital for keeping everything transparent and accountable. Without clear rules, we risk data misuse. and that could lead to some serious trouble for individuals and society. Finally, consider decision-making in life or death situations. AI's role can profoundly impact critical choices. When machines make these decisions, it risks dehumanizing what should be inherently human moments. Addressing these challenges means we need ongoing discussions and ethical frameworks. Let's make sure AI works for us, responsibly and justly. As we reach the end of our journey, let's recap the groundbreaking ways AI is being utilized in critical scenarios. It's truly fascinating how technology is advancing our capabilities in real and impactful ways. First up, we dived into AI-powered early warning systems. These systems can predict disasters before they strike, giving communities the much-needed heads-up to prepare and respond effectively. Imagine being alerted in time to get to safety, truly a life-saving innovation. Next, we highlighted AI drones and their incredible role in search and rescue missions. These nifty devices enhance efficiency and provide real-time information, making them invaluable in emergencies. They fly above to gather insights that can turn the tide when minutes count. We also explored the vital function of AI in real-time crisis response. With its ability to coordinate resources, it helps manage disasters more effectively. The result? Smoother operations and less chaos as responders work to assist those in need. Finally, we discussed predictive modeling for natural disasters. By uncovering patterns through AI, we can anticipate potential threats and improve our preparedness strategies. AI isn't just automating tasks, it's helping protect humanity. How cool is that? Hey there! Today, let's dive into the exciting world of technology and how it positively impacts our lives. From smart gadgets to innovative applications, technology is making our daily tasks easier and more efficient. First up, let's explore AI in healthcare. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence helps doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. With AI analyzing medical data, patients are receiving personalized treatments tailored just for them. It's amazing how technology is transforming healthcare into a more accessible and effective field. Now, switching gears to communication, AI is changing the way we connect with each other. Whether it's through chatbots, providing instant customer service, or AI tools improving our virtual meetings, these innovations keep us closer, no matter the distance. But as we embrace this tech revolution, we also need to pay attention to the ethical side of things. Balancing innovation with responsibility is crucial, especially when it comes to our personal data and privacy. So, if you liked what you learned today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights. And check out the videos on our end screen about AI in healthcare, communication, and ethics.